Origin of the terms burger and bun kebabs. If you're a non-Pakistani, it's pretty understandable that you'd think a burger is merely a sandwich consisting of a cooked patty of ground meat that is placed inside a sliced bun. But in Pakistan, the term burger is entirely different. This term is sort of derogatory in the sense that it refers to the 5 to 6% of the population which is elite. To be specific, this term is targeted at the children of those elite people who tend to live in privileged areas such as the Defense Housing Authority. The lifestyle of a burger kid is entirely different from those of his age but belonging to a lower income group. This is because the burger kids lead a lavish life. They have expensive smartphones, lots of parties, fancy cars, beach parties, family businesses, after parties, and are just very rich in general. So rich that they do not need to know the realities of what's happening around the country. But then again, they are so rich that they do not need to know about what's happening in the country.
The three things that a burger kid cannot live without are his smartphone, an AC, and a car with a driver. The closest opposite of this term is bun kebab, aka a cheaper version of a burger, or a mela kid as some might call it. The bun kebab kids, in contrast with burger kids, go to regular public schools, speak broken English, mostly belong in the middle class society, and are the kind that go to shops to get songs put into their Nokia phones. The three things that a bun kebab kid cannot live without are electricity, easy load or a phone balance top up, and a car or a bike. Both terms have their pros and cons. For instance, burger kids tend to be more knowledgeable, studious, and better in social circumstances, whereas bun kebab kids are more down to earth and practical. So that's that. These two classes have emerged in Pakistani society amongst the youth. What kind of sandwich do you classify yourself as? A burger or a bun kebab? Leave your answers in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye.
देखिए हमारी बहनों मदर्स के साथ क्या हो रहा है। हमें अपने पुलिस मार रही है, हमें धक्के दे रही है। हम इनकलाब के लिए आए हैं, आपके मुल्क के लिए आए हैं। हर बंदा अपने घर से निकल के आया है। इस गर्मी में कौन इतना जुलूस करे? हर बंदे को लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर धक्के दे रहे। ये मेरे भाई गर्मी में खराब हो गए। हमें कोई जरूरत है यहाँ आने की?